welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. Today, I'm excited. She is one of my favorites. KKW Beauty. I can't get her anymore, but I do treasure it so much that I keep it around. I still use it. This is the Classic Blossom eyeshadow palette. Don't remember how old this is. We're not going to talk about that. We're not going to talk about, because look at this. Look how beautiful this is. We got some mattes, we got some shimmers, and another matte down here. You cannot tell me this is not the perfect palette year round. Year round. I want to say, depending on like how heavy you go with things, the formula is pretty good though. Like, everything is there. And I'm going to show you, because she's my favorite, and there's a reason why she's my favorite. Let me show you. We're going to go into this palette together. Let me grab a brush. Are you good? Yeah, you're good. I have my cute little brush swatchy thing right here. Just in case we're curious what I'm doing down here. Scoot. That's what I'm doing. We're going to come in, and it has a mirror too, so easy peasy, pretty nice to use. Let's come in, like, should I do the boring tannish? Ooh, actually, before I do that, let's wipe off my eyelids, because they seem to be picking up a ton of product. I was cooking dinner, so that totally makes sense. But anyway, I picked up a ton of product. Let's come in here into the crease. I love to stamp it. And then what I'll do once I stamp it through is I'll come and blend it mostly up. So hopefully easier peasier. And it's not super noticeable, I don't think, but it's going to be good for helping the other shadows come in. Let's get it put down. Baby girl. So much better. Does anybody remember? Ooh, oopsie. Does anybody remember when you can get the KKW Beauty at Ulta? It was a while ago, but I picked up a few things. It was so good. Makeup was so good then. This was good. I mean, then there's been Skin by Kim. I forget. KKW Skin. I made a video about it. I made two actually, because they couldn't get the shadow to actually work for me. Nobody had any good answers about why it wasn't the good stuff it should be. But if you picked up this palette or any of the other KKW Beauty palettes, let me know in the comments, because I did. I loved them all. I don't think I got all of them though. And I want to say, I don't know if this one would be my favorite. It's either this or the Miss West palette. Oh, the Miss West palette. Do I have like a recent up-to-date video on the Miss West palette? Am I going to have to make one? We'll see. We'll see. Do I want to come in now? Oh. We'll do a little bit of this color here. One thing I don't like about these is I can't tell where they are, because you have like Chi, Baby, Samurai, Cherry, Blossom, Japan, Tree, West, Season, and Hanami. How do I know which ones are which? I like when they put the names right next to them. Otherwise, I'm just telling you, this one, that one, over here, some of there. I guess it's cool. But like, teeny tiny little bit there. And I want to keep it on the outer part of my eye. Just to deepen this outer part up a little bit. Both sides. And I do taps and little swipes. If you know me, then you know I'm a matte girly. So if I could, I keep this look all matte. We could stay here, put a little right here. Whatever floats my goat. I don't need to do shimmers. But I'm gonna do shimmers because they're so pretty. Look at this. Look at this. It's so pretty. Ooh. playing with them in different lights. Like this one's more of a champagne gold and this one is more like a copper gold. Ooh. I'm gonna start with this one. Gentle. You can tell, like, I use my mattes all the time because they have little dents in them, but like the shimmers, they're looking brand new. And just lightly tappa. Ooh, you know what? We're dragging it across the lid. Look at that payoff. Man. The tiniest little swatch. Wow. Can I do... Yeah, and there's still some on there for the other side. Wow. Okay, immediately might have been too much. Definitely too much. I know I said I wanted shimmer. But good gravy. Well, this is what I asked for. I want to do it a little darker on the bottom, so I'm going to come in with this copper. Can you see pretty well? Yeah. And then look up. Ooh, that's nice. I love a darker bottom lash, just a little bit. Like if you could give me two colors and the bottom one is a smidge bit darker, yes. Yes, I'll take it. Just kind of... I don't know if I'll ever be able to do like a rounded outer eye area. I think I will always and forever have to do like a more whoosh pointed look, even with eyeshadow. And it's nothing dramatic, it's nothing crazy, but to me I'm like, I want that edge, kind of like a line. And I know it's going to come in soft and like these little areas right here, but still. Look at that shimmer. I barely touched the shimmer and here we are. That's gorgeous. Do I want to come in with a little bit more? I kind of do. Oh, I already got my finger in it, but this color down here. Coming in with like a more dense flat brush, and I just want to bring this right here to my top lash line on the end, and I kind of pack it on the end and then drag whatever's left towards the middle. Same side or same thing, different side. Okie dokie artichokes. Good. Now let's come in with some mascara on it. Well, because I mean this will be the lighter color. Oh, look at this guy. I don't think I need to come in. I mean, I could come in. I should have come in. I can come in. I want to do this one. Just a little bit. But let me show you how freaking crazy this matte is. How pigmented these mattes are. Look at that. And I've been loving the whole dragging the inner corner up, way up to like darn near my eyebrow. Looks good. Yeah, that looks good. I want to bring it in more so I can blend it with that copper shimmer. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. And if you need to, come back to your cutie shimmer right over top of it. Blend it right there. Just, they play together so well. I love her. Does anybody else? Did you pick this up? Did you pick up a similar one? Tell me I'm not alone. Do you still use it? Currently the 2026 right now. And I still use it. I love it. I keep the Miss West one in my bathroom because like she's a go-to, but more on her to come. But the rest, mascara. Okie dokie. Tell me this isn't beautiful. You cannot. She's gorgeous. she's beauty, she's grace, she's really nice on my face. I forget the rest. Oh, she's Miss United States, I think. I'm not 100% sure. But like, isn't this gorgeous? I do love it. The lips also came together really nice. Ma'am. Anywho, I'm yapping. This stuff is good. I'm trying to make these videos short and sweet, but I'm going to add this to my favorites and my eyeshadow playlist. You can go check those out. That's all I have. Look at her. She's beautiful. Oh. Anywho, thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!